Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the trading channel. My name is Janson and I am a forex as well as a stock market trader. So in today's video, like I promised in my first video, basically that I told you guys that I'll be putting some valuable content in this channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you something very basic. Okay, it's not actually basic, but the thing is, if you want to know how to read the chart, you you need to identify some patterns. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is train your eyes. All right, and this is something which I always teach all my students right from the beginning. Okay, I'm not going to cover what is stock market, what is forex market, how are they different, and all those blah blah blah, all those fun stuff. You'll be getting that in the Google itself. Okay, but something which I haven't seen any of the uh, YouTubers teaching on this one. So basically, what I'm going to do is how to identify. I'm not going to say swings. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you on how to draw, basically. And yes, you need to draw with the trend line. Okay, it's like major turning points you will be connecting. All right, so what I mean by that is, and before that, this will be a part by part series. Okay, so this will be the first part. I haven't thought about what I'm going to name for this particular video, but maybe something like training your eyes or something like that. So what I want you guys to do is go to the daily chart or any of the time frame. Okay, and go back to the history. Okay, as much as you can. Let's just go on to this go to button and click on yeah, 2000 is fine. All right, I hope that many information is available. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's start from here. So I'm not going to talk about how to identify the trend, or yes, I do have a specific rules when it comes to trend. When does the trend starts? The easiest way to identify the trend is if you look right from the top left hand side, and if the market is going to the bottom right hand side, that means it's a trend. Now that's an easier way to say. Or you have the highs getting lower and lower. Now that is another way of saying that it's in a trend. But this is not what I want to teach. There is a different method for that, the way I teach it. But before all those fun stuff, what I want you guys to do is go to this toolbox, take out the trend line tool. Okay, and let's zoom out like this. Okay, whatever you're comfortable with. All you need to do is start connecting the turning points. Okay, so right from the high. Okay, just click on like this, all the turning points. All right, now this is one way to do it. Okay, where you are taking the minor points as well. Or else what you can do is take out the major points. All right, take out the major points. Okay, where the market has literally moved away from that trend. Okay, now what it is going to do is, you will be in the later stage, you will be able to identify different patterns. Okay, what I mean by patterns is like there are multiple patterns like AB equal to CD, or harmonic patterns, or any of the chart patterns, and these are different information which the market will give you on what it is planning to do. Okay, and to identify those, you need to understand from where you need to take the swings, basically. Okay, I understand that there are different swings over here. If you want, you take that as well. Okay, but right from the starting, take out the major ones. Just be comfortable with the charts. Okay, don't worry about the candlestick pattern. That all comes in the later stage. Just the major stuffs, you keep drawing it. Okay. Don't even worry about when the trend is changing. I'm going to include that in the next part, maybe. But right now, all you need to do is keep drawing in this way. Now, if you are able to draw the major turning points, what I want you to do next is, instead of now taking the major points like this, okay, start taking the minor points as well, like this. Trust me, guys, this is definitely going to help you in the next, when I talk about in the next series, next part, sorry. Okay. Do not, okay. One common mistake which most of my student does is they zoom in so much, okay, they will see all unwanted swings over here. So let me see whether I can do like how my student does. Yeah, they will take all this. I don't want you guys to do all this one. All this fun part, again, in the later stage. This is not what I'm looking at. Major swings or major turning points, that is what I want you guys to look at it. Now, if you zoom out, what you're going to see is it's all a crap. Okay. Most of the time, your stop losses will get over hit here itself. So that's why I said only take up the major ones for now. I didn't know TradingView does Control Z with zoom out as well. Anyways, so zoom out like this. This much is good. And keep practicing. And this is definitely going to help you in the future. You'll thank me later for sure. Okay. And now this is the basic foundation when it comes to when I teach trading to any of the students, when it comes to technicals, okay? Because rest of the things like drawing the Fibonacci, okay, identifying different patterns. You have your harmonic patterns, Gartley, bat, butterfly, crab, and you have your chart patterns like double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, cup and handle. There are many of them. In that, uh, uh, I use few of them, okay, because I want to make it consistencies. But it's not like if I see any other pattern which I usually don't trade, but if I see a good opportunity, yes, I do jump into the trade. But the basis of all those things is identifying where the proper swings will be or major turning points will be. If you're not able to understand that part, then it's going to be a little difficult. And trust me, even if you can identify turning points like this, your stop loss is also, I mean, obviously your stop loss will definitely get hit sometimes, okay, a majority of the times. The only way to control that is by doing risk management. I'm not going to say that stop loss will not get triggered. Stop loss is definitely going to trigger. If you're on the trading, if you jump into the trading, be ready to have some losses. That's going to be the part of your game. Okay. But the thing is, you will be able to minimize your losses once you identify where are the major turning points. Because when I tell students to put the stop loss, make sure that when it hits the stop loss, it turns the market turns its scenario. Like what I mean by that is probably it is doing a trend reversal, or maybe it is planning to do a complex pullback. Yeah, basically complex pullback also you'll be able to understand just by doing this one. Okay, keep doing this on. You can take any time frame. Right now I have taken pound dollar daily time frame. You can go into basically 15 minutes time frame as well. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, 15 minutes time frame. I'm not sure till where it will be. Wherever it is, it will take you to the last available candle. Okay, so again, with this, you start drawing. in the 15 minutes. You don't have to take it exactly where it is. I just want you guys to start making the marking the major points. Okay, all the uh, turning points in between. It's quite difficult for me to say the turning points. It's basically swings. So all the minor swings in between, try to forget that for now. Like I said, all that comes under the later stage. Okay, just go ahead with your identifying the major turning points. That's it. And after some time, you will be able to start identify at least some patterns. Okay, so this is what I call training your eyes for trading. Okay, I don't know whether that makes any sense, but yeah, if this is not there, whatever you're going to learn in the future, that's going to be tough. Okay, I can just keep going on like this. When I started trading, this is something which my mentor has told me to do. Okay, and that has literally improved my way of understanding the chart, because at some point of time you feel that it is a trend reversal, but basically it is just doing probably it's just doing a complex pullback. Okay, so to identify that, this is the best way to train your eyes on, to identify what the market is doing. All right, so I want to keep this video very short and crisp. Do this practice, and if you want to showcase whether you have done it, or whether you've done it properly, or if you want to know some feedback, feel free to write to me. You can write down to Janz trading channel at gmail.com. That is what I have done for YouTube. I'll put that in the link. I'll put the link in the description as well. So feel free to write to me, or if there is anything more, do comment. I highly appreciate that if you do it, and let me know what else you guys think. I have huge plans for this YouTube. uh, Once we have a good amount of subscribers, then probably I'll be you'll never know, I'll be teaching some strategies as well. uh, so yeah, uh, that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you really understood whatever I said right now. Okay, and dislike it if you're double sure about it, but do let me know what you didn't like about this video. Okay, that's I'm not gonna take it in a bad way. It's definitely going to help me, but I also want to improve. Everybody has a way of improving. Okay, so do subscribe, and let's see, if you have any question, like I said, do mail it to me, and I will respond when before the next video starts. That's the promise from my side. Okay, if it's filled with mails, then I might require some time, but otherwise, yes, I will be replying to you for sure. I'm quite active in Gmail, especially my YouTube Gmail. So yeah, guys, thanks you very much. I'll see you in the next part. And in the next part, I'm going to teach you about how to identify a trend in a particular way. Okay, so do this for now, and until next video, take care. Thank you.